Okay, good morning, my dear students. Here now, I'm just going to tell you something important about Milton Ochoa, your mock. Here you go to detalle de prueba. Then you select your mock, your grade, your classroom. Then, in my case, English, send. That way you are going to get this screen. Okay, we go all the way on the right. For example, if you committed the mistake on the question number 74, you go all the way here and you go to watch video of explanation. And there you are going to have this. Surprise? No. Okay, we are going to stop that there. Then that way, ladies and gentlemen, is how you can really correct your mock and maybe upgrade your grade so far. Okay, I hope it has been useful. Anyway, please continue taking advantage of this Milton Ochoa platform so that we can advance a lot. Remember to log in Moodle, remember to log in Phidias. Blessings to you all. Let me know if you have any trouble just finding the way, and please make the most of it. Bye bye.